Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will provide the basic steps to fix Arlo Camera not connecting to base station or smart hub. Let's start the process. First, you need to download the Arlo app on your smartphone. You can download the Arlo app from App Store or Google Play Store. For iOS device, you can use the App Store. If you have an Android phone, then download it from the Google Play. After download, install the app. You can also resolve the issue of Arlo Camera not connecting to base station or smart hub with the help of arlo.com web address. Open the Arlo app and select the Devices option. Now, tap on the Add Device option or plus icon, which is available on the top right corner. Next, tap on the base station. Then follow the on-screen instructions and tap the Continue button. Now, the app will find the base station. After finding, name the base station and tap the Continue button. When the base station is active, then tap the Finish button. To connect the Arlo camera with the smart hub, tap the plus icon. Now, select the camera and series from the menu options. Then, check all the options and tap on Connect with the smart hub. Tap on the Continue button. Now, the app will find the camera. After finding, name your camera and click the Continue button. Here, you need to follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Arlo camera with base station or smart hub. If you are facing any trouble to configure your Arlo camera or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.